Welcome to another edition of A Delicious Mess from my kitchen outside of Suffolk, Virginia. I'm Miss Elyssa and I'm here to make another seasonal recipe from the cookbook Roughage by Abra Barons. You can access this through our Hoopla app. We're going to be using fresh local eggplant. I have some grape tomatoes. The recipe calls for slicers, but it'll taste good. And then I made Abra's apple cider vinegar and brown sugar sauce, which is equal parts apple cider vinegar and brown sugar. So this one is 1 cup and 1 cup, and then a teaspoon of salt mixed together. And we're going to use olive oil, salt, golden raisins, fresh mozzarella, cream, the zest of 1 lemon, and some garlic breadcrumbs and eggplant, my fresh eggplant from the Suffolk Farmers Market last week. Okay, I cubed up some eggplant. I tossed it with olive oil and salt. I'm gonna roast that for 25 minutes in a 400-degree oven. And then I'm marinating half a cup of golden raisins in the apple cider vinegar, brown sugar marinade. And I have sliced tomatoes. I have chunked up fresh mozzarella with pepper and lemon zest that I'm gonna toss with a 1/4 cup of cream. And once my eggplant is cooled, I will toss all these ingredients together with some fresh mint and garlic breadcrumbs. All right, guys, my eggplant is roasted. Getting ready. I'm gonna put the roasted eggplant in here and toss it together with my tomatoes and fresh mint. If you had smell-o-vision and could smell this, it is such a delicious combination. And then the raisins and vinegar. So let's get this eggplant and start our combining. All right, here's our roasted eggplant. And we're gonna combine our tomatoes and fresh mint. Toss that in. And then toss in our mozzarella and our marinated golden raisins. Toss that together. And then I'm gonna top it with some breadcrumbs. These are from a yesterday baked bread that I made some breadcrumbs from. So we've got all these fresh ingredients to taste from. Hey guys, I've really enjoyed preparing fresh seasonal vegetables with you. Please come into the library and look through our enormous cookbook collection. Just waiting for you to check it out. And in the fall, we're gonna hopefully be able to get together and cook some things for food family fun. and maybe prepare some things for our friends to share and eat together. But for now, I'm going to taste this eggplant, tomatoes, breadcrumbs, mozzarella, golden raisins, fresh mint, all made in my own kitchen. Mmm. The combination of textures and flavors is really amazing this time. That's delicious. Now who's gonna clean up all of this mess?